Hello, my lovely people. Yes, this video is for those that are struggling with Facebook Meta ads. Yes, if you have been struggling to run ads on Facebook Meta ad on your own, or you are managing a Facebook account for a client or for your organization, this video will really help you to stand up. In this video, I'm going to show you different type of ad segmentation, from awareness to engagement to sales and to other things that have to do with advertisement on Facebook Meta ads. Facebook Meta ad has been very functional if you make use of it in the right way. I tell you, you will get a very wonderful result. So let's jump right away. Okay, so let's start. This is just like an account overview. You can click on this place and click on create account, create campaign, or you can just come to this place to view the existing ones. So these are the ones that I've done in the past. Yeah, the ad has been completed. So let me just turn it off. So you can see. So if you click on this button, it will turn blue. That means it's showing that the account is, you can see the ad is on. So but let's just turn it off. Okay, let's turn it off. So it is off for now, although it's showing you this, but it is off. The campaign has been completed. Okay, so this is also if you have any other account, you can see any other Facebook Meta ad account that you have. You can also see them here. If you are managing an account for some people that give you an access to manage the account, this is also where you see it. So let's jump. I'll show you step by step. So the first one that usually come up is awareness. Awareness. There is option here, buying type, auction, reservation. So leave it on auction. So this is awareness. Awareness is just like you are making your business to be shown to people. You said show your ad to people that are, you know, people who are most likely to remember them. You just like want to show awareness. Another one is traffic. What kind of traffic do you want to generate? You want people to come into your website or your app or your Facebook event. Okay, so this is what the traffic is all about. This one is engagement. This is where you sometimes you get a message coming from Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Okay, so this is an engagement ad. Another one is what? Leads. This is leads. If you want to generate leads, you can say instant forms, Messenger and Instagram conversation for calls. So this is, you can generate lead is either with an instant form on the Instagram or Messenger, okay, or through conversation or through calls. Like when somebody calls you on your Instagram or your Messenger ad, then you get their details. This is how to generate lead on Facebook. Another one is what? App promotion. If you want to promote an app for those that are working in SaaS, software as a service company, or those that are producing different types of website applications, this is how to run the promotion. So if it is a app promotion that you want to run, you click on this place and you start. This one is sales. Sales usually work with also engagement, because through engagement you can also sell your product, or you can just go straight to sales. You can see it has conversation, it has catalog. From people that there are some pages when you see catalog for bags, for shoe, for shirt, for watch, for wristwatch, caps, or anything. Okay, and it usually works in what? Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp ads. So it depends on the product you are selling or services you are rendering. So, and that is that. For today, we're going to start with an engagement. Remember, as the kind of ad campaign you are choosing depends on what you are targeting. Okay, if this awareness is usually for those that are launching a new business. Okay, so that is what this awareness is all about. So let's go to engagement, which is you can be engaging with your client, get more messages, purchase through messaging, video views, posts, engagement, page like, or events. So this engagement has a lot of goodies inside of it, but that doesn't mean that other ones cannot give you what you want. It just depends on what you are looking for. So let's continue. You click on continue, and then automatically it's usually comes in two ways. Choose campaign time, recommended, streamline best practices. Just go to manual. Okay, when you go to manual, you will now take your hand and do everything step by step. But when you come to this recommended, that means you say you to use preset campaign automation to meet your goals. You don't need to do other things. It will have both include advantage audience, advantage placement, and more. So that means you want to use your hand to choose where and where you want it to go. You click on continue. Okay. When you click on continue, now you say campaign. What is the campaign name? We'll just call it testing. Okay, testing engagement campaign. Then you continue, come to this place, this category. You don't need it, just leave it that way. This A/B testing is automatically, it will duplicate your ad when you create it. You can now use one to check how the other one is working by twisting it and check what is working or what's not working. Advantage campaign, you can also add this one if you want. So just click on next. So it will now ask you what is the ad set name. We call it testing ad set name. Testing engagement, you call it testing. Okay, engagement ad set. And then conversation, what do you want it to be? You can see due to we choose engagement, it's showing us messaging. You can see get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Or do you want people to engage on your ad? Get people to watch. This one is like if you have if you want people to watch your video, you can see get people to watch a video or interact with your post or event, what you are posted in your page. Or if you want people to call you, get called to your business direct, you come to this place. This one is a website. Okay, where do you want people to engage? Do you want to direct people to your website? This is where you click on. This one is for app. Why is showing there? Because we are not doing app awareness. So this one is Facebook page. Where do you want engagement to go? Is it on Facebook page, so that you're interacting with people? Maybe for people that want to boost their Facebook page. So it depends. But for now, we are using messaging apps, which is on this one. Okay. Then message, click to message. That means when you click to message, automatically when they click on learn more or take action or any call to action, is to take them direct to your message. They will start doing what? Messaging you. Okay. This one is sponsored message. So, but it's advisable to leave out on click message. Okay. And then this is the Facebook page. So if you have any other Facebook page, you can see this is another Facebook page that I created yesterday. Okay, this is another Facebook page that I created yesterday. So if you have any other Facebook page that you want to use, you can also do what? Do justice by using that Facebook page. You can also add, if you are managing another Facebook pages for people, you can also add them here. I'm going to make a video on that one, how to add Facebook pages and how to have access to that. So for now, let's make use of this one. Okay, and then this is our three options. You know, it is the same person that owns Messenger, Instagram, and that of WhatsApp. But as it stands, when you run your ad in these three places at a time, one will be getting too much traffic, which is going to be your Facebook, that will be using your Facebook Messenger. Okay, so but if you want to get an adequate result, you want it to be going only to your WhatsApp. Okay, and then use, or you want it to go only to your WhatsApp. Okay, that's what you want. What you do is what? Uncheck. Okay, you will uncheck this one, also uncheck this one. Okay, so that means you'll be getting engagement only on what? On WhatsApp. So these are different WhatsApp numbers that I've added. These are different WhatsApp numbers that I'm managing for people. Okay, you can see this is a foreign number. So if you are managing it for somebody, you should know their number offhand, so that when you click on it, you know, okay, say I want it to the messages to be going to this particular number. And look at the estimated audience size. You'll be reaching 20 to 24 million persons. Okay, this is bit control. You can just leave this one, it doesn't matter. Okay, this is also connect another number. That is, if you want to add another number, okay, apart from this number. So you can see here you are allowed to have up to 50 numbers here. Okay, you can see you can connect a maximum of 50 WhatsApp numbers per Facebook page. That means if you have enough WhatsApp numbers, you can run ad maybe to like 5 persons in your organization, and they'll be attending to different messages at the same time. Okay, you'll be responding to different messages at the same time. Okay, and then budget, daily budget. This is it showed me automatically 22. This is not my budget, so you can choose your daily budget. Okay, let's say I want us to be spending 5,000 a day. Okay, the reason why it's showing me this, the reason why it's showing me that it will be getting 0 is because I am using only WhatsApp. Okay, I'm using only WhatsApp conversation engagement ad. So they take higher when you're using one particular, especially when it has to do with WhatsApp. Now let me check Messenger, Instagram page. You will see that the price will change. You can see it has changed to 99 something. That means I can use 1,500. Okay, why? Because I'm using both. I want the traffic to go to my Instagram page and WhatsApp. Remember, WhatsApp takes higher than others. Now let me uncheck this and leave only the Instagram. You can see. So with the Instagram, you can run ad as low as 3,500. Let's check if 1,500 can go. No, it will not. Why? Because each of them has a minimum you can choose. Let's choose 2,500 and see if it can go. Okay, that means it worked. Okay, so that means from 2,000 to 2,500 to 10,000, 20,000 can go on what? On your Instagram. Okay, so let's also choose this, since you want it to be going on both ways, both getting traffic both on your Instagram and also on your WhatsApp number. Okay, you will now do what? Increase. Let's increase it to 4,000 per day. Okay, you can see that the error has what? Been resolved. And let's continue. This is a starting date. Today is 18th. If you want this ad to start today, remember, look at the time I'm doing this video. This is by 9, so it's not going to start immediately. What you will do, you can shift this. Okay, start by 10 and say 10:00. Okay, you can make it to start by this time. And then this one is what? Set an end date. Let's say if you want to run a testing for like 5 days or 1 week, this is where you pick your end date. Okay, remember today is 18, so if you want it to run like 1 week, start 1 week, you come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means it's going to stop on the 24th. This 12 a.m. just like midnight, like it will run from that day. That day it will end. It will stop at 12 a.m. midnight. This is why it's showing me this what is because I'm in West Africa. Okay, so automatically to pick your location. Okay, audience control. This is where you choose also your location. Okay, it's advisable don't target the whole Nigeria because you might not get a good result. Okay, so what do? You target by location. Let's choose Lagos for instance. And there's a difference between city and that of state. When you choose state, it means they are targeting the whole state. Even the state, even the particular area that will not give the result, you're also targeting them. But if you want to get a result, go to city. Okay, this is now city. That means you are targeting people in Lagos State City. And then we will zoom on, you will see the cities. You can see Satellite Town, you can see Victoria Island, Lekki Phase 1, Lekki Phase 2, Makoko, Tinubu, Shomolu. You can see it will show you the whole city. Now, for instance, now if you want to target a particular location inside Lagos, for instance, let's say maybe your target is this Victoria Island. What do? Pick this drop pin and come to this place and drop it. That means we are targeting this what? This particular location, which is Victoria Island. That's okay. I want to also target Lekki Phase 1. You also click on the pin, drop it here also. Now you are narrowing it down. Okay, remember, if you are narrowing it down, this place, it will be changing the number of populations that it will target, and then the reach that it will take per the ad that will move. You will see the reach will be from 6,000 to 18,000 persons, depending on how you target them. Okay, And that is that. So if you want to also add another location, maybe apart from, you can say, okay, I just want to target Abuja. It's advisable if your business is in a particular state, target that state. Start it from that place. Let's say also target Abuja. You can see the estimated audience has increased. Okay, it has increased. You can also draw this thing here. That means the more you increase it, the more it will expand the reach that is going to get. Okay, so that is how to add what? Locations. This one is audience. This is audience. That is the criteria you add here, help the system understand. You can also create your audience. Audience are who? Your target people, the people that you want to patronize you, the people that you are running that business for, the people that that is in line of what you are doing. Okay, now you can come to this place and click on this one is in stream where you want it to be. Now let's go to this place. You can come to this place and say switch to original audience, meaning that you use your hand to do what? Choose the audience you want. And this original audience will now give you option of the age, which is the gender, which is the age, demographics, your age, then the age. Who are your target age people? So it's advisable to start from, it depends on services you are running that will determine the kind of age you are targeting. You can start from, let's say, 25 and then to, let's say, 45. It depends on the business you are doing. Okay, it depends on the business you are doing. Or let's say 48. Okay, you can see. Then your genders, if you are a woman that is into hairdressing, salon, makeup, and all those things, your target is not going to be all. Your target is going to be women. If you're a man, you are into selling men's clothing, or your business is particularly for men, okay, you also do what? Click on men. But if your business is for both sex, okay, you do what? Allow, which use what? All, meaning that your business is for both male and female. Then languages, you can just leave it on all languages. Okay, leave it on all languages. And then this is advantage placement. Your budget will be allocated automatically. So if you want it to go automatically on this, you can just click on this place and then use advantage placement. Okay, and then if there is a list, let's say there's a particular people that you want to block, that you don't want them to see your ad, you can also click on this place, edit, and do the block list. You also see such features in the feature is also in YouTube. If you want to block a list or a particular this, you can do that. Then you click on what? Next. Remember, from here, okay, we change the name to add set name. We'll come down to this place. This is the Facebook page you have. Facebook page is different from Facebook account. Okay, and where do you want the traffic to go? On your Instagram, on your WhatsApp. Okay, and then we'll come down to this place. Just this bit control meter will aim to spend your entire budget and get most results. This one is a choice. Okay, it's not a must that you can do that. Okay, then this is your daily budget. Daily, but if you want it to be a lifetime, means that it will not, this start date and end date will not be here. Okay, that means anytime you want the ad to stop, it will stop. Your duty will be just pause and stop and edit. Okay, but since you want it to be a daily budget, you now use amount that you can afford and choose how many days you want. So this one is just like a 1 week that we are running the testing, and this is also location. Okay, location, you can target outside Nigeria, but they will not allow you use WhatsApp engagement ad. You can use Messenger or Instagram, but you can't use any other WhatsApp number for international audience. Okay, and then let's come down to next. When you click on next, this is the ad name. Okay, just we are calling it testing engagement. Now there is two things here. Pay attention. Run ad with creators, brand, and other businesses. This ad will feature on both. That means If you want to partner for a particular organization or a friend or another business, you click on this. When you click on this, it will now ask you to enter a code. Enter an ad code. What is an ad code? An ad code, just like a Facebook meter ad code that those people have. When you add it here, automatically to bring out their meter ad, and then from there it will now bring out their details. Okay, you can see how it's going to show. This is my own first identity, Austin Digital, Austin Digital Services. So this is how it's going to be. Okay, and then this is the second identity. But remember, you must have an ad code for that particular organization before you can be able to do a partnership. Okay, ad. And then what kind of ad you want to run? Do you want a single picture or single image video? If you want it to be a single video, fine and good. You can now pick only one media. You can see where they said add media. Okay, add media, add image or video. But if you want to run a carousel, that means, let's say for instance, if you are selling slippers, shoes and shirts, okay, and you want people to see the three of them, you can use this. Or maybe you are selling body spray, you are selling cream, you are selling hair, eyelashes and all those things. You choose carousel depending on the business you are doing. And you can see it has turned to cards. It has turned to cards here. Okay, you click on what? Add image, since we want to use image. Okay, now these are already made image that I've used in the past. It depends on the business you are doing. So we're going to use these ones for testing. Okay, you want to choose 3 images here for testing and click on continue. Okay, now if you also want to upload here, when you come to this particular place add card, you click on what you want to add. Is it video or you want to add images? Let's see if you can add videos. You see the same process. Okay, it will show you the videos you have used before. Okay, and you can do that. But if you don't want to choose this, you can come to here upload. When you click on upload, it will open your PC for you, and then pick what you want to pick, where you kept them, and then upload. Okay, so for now, let's say you need to put a headline for that. This one is okay, chat us, and then you can just put a little description. Learn more. You can just say learn more by engaging us on WhatsApp. So that doesn't mean this is the description we're going to use. Okay, then if you want it to automatically come to these extra images, just click on what? Apply to all cards. Automatically it will come here. Instead of it will not save you that stress. You can see even this chart with us automatically to save you the stress of doing it one by one. It depends on what you want to do. Okay, select placement, edit. How do you want it to be? Do you want it to be in 320 by 168 pixels? So you want it 320 by, so it depends on how you want the images to look like. So this is how it is. You can see this is how it's going to show on the ad. This is an Instagram, this one is Facebook. How it's going to be showing when people see it. You can see this is the carousel. Okay, if it's a single one, all this sign will not be here. It will just be single. Okay, you can see chat on WhatsApp. Okay, chat us. You can see chat us. Okay, so if I change this, you can see chat on WhatsApp. So you can, if I change it to learn more, let's see what it's going to show us. Okay, so that means automatically it's going to change here. You're going to see we can see learn more here. Okay, it will change to learn more. So whatever thing you change here, it will come here to change. So let's just make it chat us. Okay, and we'll leave it. So it's also going to change here. Okay, automatically. Learn more. This one is learn more on WhatsApp. This is what you're showing here. Chat us here up here because I changed it. Okay, and then you scroll down. What is the call to action? Send a WhatsApp message. This one is if you want people to subscribe. This one is if you want people to sign up. This one is for sell. If you are making sale, you say click on shop. Automatically to take them where they will make payment. This one is get update. Let's say if you are making an awareness, or this one, or this learn more, or get a quote. Maybe if you are pushing a particular business for a particular thing. So this is all these actions now represent what you are doing. Okay, at the same time. Now, this is message template, like all those first messages that come to you, say thank you for coming with us, thank you for coming to our page, how may we help you. So you can also edit it. Okay, this is auto-generated, this first one. Okay, second one is also auto-generated. You can just say, yes, we are here to make you travel seamlessly. Okay, and then you can also even add emojis here if you want. You can also add emojis. Okay, it depends on what you are doing. So this is what your client will be seeing. You can also do what? Add another question. Okay, and this another question will be automatically given to the client whenever they come to your inbox. You can say, how long does your processing take? Okay, and then you can see the message is coming here. You come to this and say, usually I hope I got this correctly. No, usually it takes 4 to 6 weeks, okay, to be processed. Okay, you can insert a personalization, depends on what you are doing. Okay, and then you come to this place and see, you can see what I added here is here. So that means whenever they click on any of these questions, it will do what? It will respond to them immediately. Okay, it will respond to them immediately. You just click on save. So, and that is that. Okay, so that is how it goes. And then this one is this is just like if you want to view the whole destination, how you want it to be. This is how it's going to be on your WhatsApp. Whenever they see your WhatsApp, you can see on WhatsApp, this is how the message is going to come. If you want it to be on on your Instagram, this is how it's going to also be on your Instagram. Okay, for your Instagram. So this is how it's going to be. Okay, and that is that. So after creating all these things, you will click on what? Publish. Okay, let's click on publish. So it will load. If there's error somewhere, this ad will not push. They will show you there's an error. You need to do what? You need to tackle it. But what we did had no error. You can see multiple items published. Now let's view the detail of what we just published. You can see complete. So if there's an error here, it will be showing you error, saying that it didn't go properly. And after that, you do what? Click on close.